Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your mobile hotspot username and password. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go to your settings. And once you're on settings, tap on it to open. So once you're on settings, look for the option called portable hotspot, which is this, and then tap on it. Now to set up your hotspot username and password, look for the option called set up portable hotspot and then tap on it. Now here you'll see your network name, which is usually your phone name. You can change it to any name that you wish. And under the password, you will see your password here. If you want to know the current password, you can just tap on this to expose it. And if you tap on it again, you can hide it. So you can go ahead now and rename your password. For instance, new pass to the 200. And once you're done, to save it, tap on this tick and it will be set. Now to enable your hotspot, or if you want to share, all you need to do is to turn on the portable hotspot, which is this. Just turn it on. Alternatively, you can just swipe your smartphone and you'll be able to see hotspot option, which is this. Tap it to be found. So by turning it on, any other person can connect to a Wi-Fi by just entering the password that you have just changed or you have just set. So that's how you set your portable username and password on Android smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.